The Internet profoundly transformed the realm of banking services, playing a pivotal role in the industry's advancement. It introduced novel and inventive solutions that streamlined monetary exchanges for both individuals and businesses. Additionally, it effectively minimized the likelihood of errors in diverse cash transactions. In this video, we will delve into the Revolut card and the simple process of obtaining it. The Revolut card functions much like typical bank cards, offering seamless usability wherever Visa payments are accepted, making it incredibly convenient for all your transactions. This card can be easily loaded through a financial transfer from any other credit card. Moreover, its digital wallet allows you to store more than 28 currencies, offering great flexibility for your international transactions. When you make a purchase and use your Revolut card to pay, the funds will be automatically deducted from your card's balance. Should you have funds in various currencies, the deduction will occur in the specific currency that was utilized for that particular purchase. This card is not merely a digital wallet that allows you to store various currencies. Rather, it functions as an efficient tool that effectively schedules and thoroughly analyzes your financial expenditures through its complementary smartphone application, readily accessible to all holders of this card. With the app, you have the ability to establish a maximum spending limit for the month, and the application will alert you should you go over this predetermined amount. Additionally, the card can be utilized as a saving tool by rounding up purchase prices to the nearest whole number, depositing the surplus funds into your account, and saving them as part of your overall savings. Furthermore, you have the option to experience the Revolut card for an unlimited duration by utilizing the free basic subscription. However, should you desire to unlock an expanded array of features, it will be necessary to upgrade to one of the 3 available paid plans, each meticulously designed to offer a unique and distinct set of advantages and functionalities. If you ever find yourself needing to complete financial transactions on websites you're not entirely confident about, you have the option to utilize the single-use card feature. This allows you to make a one-time payment with a unique card number, after which all the card's details are automatically changed, ensuring your information is completely removed and protected. Furthermore, with the Revolut app, you will not feel that your financial transactions are exposed to any risk, as this app provides many security features that are rarely found together in one card. The most prominent of these is the ability to deactivate the card with a single button press if it is stolen or misused. Moreover, you can also receive transaction alerts for every payment conducted via the card. The user interface of the app is quite intuitive and does not require you to be a financial expert. Let's now find out how to complete the account registration and obtain your Revolut card. Download the app, then tap on Sign Up, input your phone number, and a verification code will be sent to you for entry. Now select your country and accurately provide your current home address, the city, street, and postal code. You will need to input your first name, last name, date of birth, and email address into the system. Now it'll ask for a selfie. Following this, you'll be prompted to provide the reason for joining the bank. You'll also need to input your tax information, then create a passcode for the app. This is your account. You now need to complete the account verification process using your residence permit. After photographing it, a message will be sent to your email address. Now to order the card, select the Standard tab and press it. Now choose the card type, virtual or physical card. Choose the physical card to have it delivered to your home. You can select from several types of cards. Once you've selected the card type, you can then specify certain text to be printed on it. Please enter your desired card code now and confirm it. Then, verify your address details and click on the Delivery Address option. The card is now ready. From the application's interface, tap on Help and make your selection. Now select Verify Identity, and you will be transferred to a chat with a bot. Then type Live Agent to the bot. Here it will ask you for some documents, which are a real residential address and a paper from the immigration department or from the police that has your name and identification number on it. The document's issue date must be no older than 3 months. This serves as a translation of the necessary paperwork. Capture an image of the document and transmit it via chat to complete account verification. Your card will be delivered in approximately 10 days. To activate your card, tap Cards, input the card number, and then press Link. Regarding adding funds to your account, simply tap on Add Money. Here you will select the desired amount you wish to add to your balance. Please note the minimum amount allowed to add is €10. You also have the option to select a standard bank transfer. This particular method is only for when you wish to transfer funds from an online banking account, which must also be registered under your name. The available banks for this service will be displayed based on your current place of residence. You will need to select your bank and branch, then enter both the bank number and your account number before pressing Continue. The transfer will then be processed instantly. The third and final way to add money to your account is by using a credit card, specifically a MasterCard or Visa. It is also required that the card bears the same name as the Revolut account holder. You will need to input the card number, its expiration date, and the security code, then simply tap on the card to the Revolut app and the funds will be added. At this point, you'll be prompted to check your card's associated application and confirm the transfer. After confirmation, the amount will be deposited into your account. However, with some cards, you will not be asked to confirm the transfer. Should you wish to cancel the current operation, simply press the Exit button. The fourth method for adding funds to your account is via a regular bank transfer, and this can be initiated by any individual. Here you will find the IBAN number to which you need to transfer. It begins with LT, the code for Revolut, whose headquarters are located in Lithuania. It also shows you the BIC code, which is typically used for international transfers. You can tap on Share to easily share all the necessary transfer details with anyone. This allows them to send you money, which will then be conveniently added to your Revolut card.